And one is to immensely congratulate the new recruits who are present here today. Your selection from a pool of hundreds, if not thousands, speaks volumes. Neither was it a walk in a park, as genuinely said by the chairman here. I want to believe that is a manifestation of either two, that you are either too lucky or you exceptionally stood out from the rest. I want to believe it is the latter. And I would urge you to keep up to that expectation. Now my ask is just one. That is, you ought to live up to the expectations of this government, as envisaged by the governor here, and the expectation of our community as Wajer County. Governor, if you really work, and you have done this many times, if by any chance you get to the offices at 7:30, you are more likely to see those staff who we inherited from the national government. It's very unlikely to see anyone who was freshly recruited by this county government directly at that time. So one thing we need to emphasize is discipline. And here, I was just whispering to the chairman, how many of these staff are not here today? Those who are recruited. And a good number are not here. That itself sings the wrong signal. It rings a bell. So anyone who is not here today, who is supposed to be here, CC, we need to know why they are not here. And there must be genuine, satisfactory answer for not having their presence here today. It's the first day, and you're not here. It speaks volumes about your code of conduct. So attendance is the other thing. We have a serious problem in this county with attendance. We are trying to explore many options on how to improve our attendance. Because by attending, you are being productive. By being absent, you are not productive. The county assembly has done something on biometric attendance. I'm sure they will borrow from their experience, and we are exploring those opportunities. We want to see how we can improve on attendance. We said many a times, time without number, that you must earn your salaries genuinely. We repeated that many a times. So I don't want to belabor the point. So our ask is just for you to live up to the expectations of this government and the expectations of our community. Generally, though, without belaboring the point, Governor, there is a dearth of, or a shortage of technical staff in this county. Our staff is heavily skewed towards non-technical staff. We need many doctors, we need many nurses, we need many cadres in health services, we need engineers, agronomists, we need veterinarians, we need extension officers. Many other technical staff that are really needed cannot be employed because of the wage bill is quite high, the ballooning wage bill. So going forward, let's explore what we can do in that sector. Instead of employing and probably, I know the push is there for us from the community. It comes to us every day to employ as many as we can. But I think what we need to consider going forward is to how to bridge that gap of technical staff the county desperately needs.